Musamseleku told Macele that you want to bring Makwela in Muzumbe because there is no one who is staying in Muzumbe to take care of Muzumbe. We are waiting for Utando Nestembu season 10. We want to saw Makwela is staying in Muzumbe or what? Because Musamseleku want to tolerate his wives Mangwawe and Mayeni. Macele knows that Musamseleku tolerate Mayeni more than ye. So that's why Makwela is not staying in Muzumbe. Musamseleku is keeping asking the questions to Mangwawe and Mayeni, especially Mangwawe. Mangwawe, she can overreact. That's why Musamseleku doesn't want to lose Mangwawe. But Musamseleku have to choose between Mangwawe and Makwela. If he loses Mangwawe, it's better because Mangwawe have got an attitude. Musamseleku was complaining about Mangwawe. Mangwawe can ignore her most of the time. Mayeni is better, but Mangwawe's attitude, if Musamseleku maybe he is in fear to lose Mangwawe because of the kids. Mawande and Senande, they know their father. If Mangwawe threaten Musamseleku to leave him, it's better than to lose Makwela, because what I saw, Makwela is matured more than Mangwawe, because Mangwawe most of the time she want to behave like a child most of the time, or she want to feel too special than other people, or to think other people are not special. Because at that time Mangwabe, she came in Muzumbe. Mangwabe knows that Musamseleku have got 4 wives because Masaule was still alive, but Mangwabe stayed in Muzumbe by fire, by force. She can't feel for other wives. If she was feeling the pain of Mayeni was complaining, Mangwabe, she can't being married to Musamseleku. But now she is feeling the pain not to accepting Makwela. It's not right. If Mangwabe, she want to leave, sometimes they have to leave, because Musamseleku is better to leave to lose Mangwabe than to lose other wives, what I saw. Because Makwela, she will be, you know that sometimes you can be patient, but she is going to lose the patient Makwela if Musamseleku is keeping doing all those things, or maybe to beg Mangwabe and Mayeni, what I saw. So he is going to lose Musamseleku, those people, because Musamseleku, when he is with Makwela, Macele and Makumalo, I think he is better than other two, the two of them, and especially he loves them too much. Macele knows that, and Macele asks why Mangwabe she is still doing here when she is still threatening him that she want to leave. Why she can't leave now? Macele was right at that time, because the way, guys, that woman, she is doing, threatening Musamseleku every time, threatening him. And Musamseleku always tolerate Mangwabe and Mayeni. If Mangwabe and Mayeni, they are wrong, he can blame Makumalo, what I saw. Musamseleku loves to blame Makumalo, but Macele knows the truth that Makumalo doesn't have a problem too much. But the person who have got a problem is Mangwabe and Mayeni, the reason why Musamseleku doesn't want to bring Makwela. So Makwela now, she is suffering, guys. Makwela is suffering because, guys, she is staying at her parents' house in Muzumbe, but Musamseleku have got houses in Muzumbe, and he say he can't bring Makwela. Why Musamseleku talk to Makwela, impregnated her to give her a child? He knows that he can delay some of the years not staying together. Musamseleku bring Mangwabe. Mangwabe at that time doesn't have a child with the Musamseleku. You understand? And he bring Mangwabe. They have a child when they start staying in Muzumbe. You understand? Why Musamseleku can't do the same thing to Makwela? He was in rush to have a child with Makwela because he knows that when he impregnate Makwela, she is not going anywhere because of the child, and she is keeping going to Musamseleku ask for money like she is desperate. If Makwela doesn't have a child with the Musamseleku, I don't think that Makwela is still in that marriage. Makwela, she will be gone. But the problem now, they have got a child together. That's why Musamseleku is delaying for Makwela because of his best wife Mangwabeni Mayeni.